Weld out here. Perfect welder for beginners or someone with some experience. I actually use this one over my Miller. Works way better. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys a rundown what we're getting into. So I'm gonna jump in and start seeing if I can make this thing look like one piece. Okay, so we got some stuff patched up. I'm not really too good at sheet metal work at all, but I figure, you know, small gaps aren't a big deal. Seam seal it. We're gonna Rhino line the bed anyways. So, I mean, I'm gonna fill in some. All right, so we got to start on it. I got that piece cut out that I need to make flat. Still got to fill in some gaps right there. Filled in some other stuff. Started filling in the little tunnel for the filler neck and all that. I mean, I'm not the best sheet metal guy in the whole world, but I figure, you know, if I get them close enough, I can seam seal the rest. The little gaps aren't a problem. Then we're gonna Rhino line it. So as long as you could hold a couch or something in there and it not fall out, right? I'm getting down now. A few more hours of work on this thing and it should be ready to go back on the truck almost. Little prime weld's kicking butt today though. Pitter patter. Cardboard and Sharpie's best friend. Drawing out all my side panel pieces to fill them in a little better. Moving along. Well, I got most of the gaps covered in. Some sheet metal. A little gaps left over, nothing some seam sealer won't fix. Got all the way around both sides. Filled in all the gaps. So, time to seam seal it. Rhino line it. Put this truck back together. Starting to look good though. It's gonna come out a lot better than it was. I ain't the best at all at this anyways, but practice makes perfect, so experience is everything. This is me gaining experience. Can't wait to put it back together. And there it is, all sealed up, all seamed up. Everything's all sealed off. It's getting ready for Bedliner. I've been fighting with the rain all day, off and on, rain, not rain, rain, not rain, so trying to work on the dry spells. But I feel like it looks pretty good. Get this thing bed lined, all nice color, nice solid black, everything sealed, minimal gaps. I tried to make everything as tight as I could, but you know, things happen. You measure wrong, you cut wrong, hand slips, whatever. But there it is. Bed floor is pretty much done. Just a dry sweep and then Rhino line it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're just about done with this one. And there it is. That's finished product. Obviously it's drying with the bed liner, but it's all sealed up. This thing should hold water. And looks like it came out pretty straight if you ask me. So now, next thing to do on this truck is that carrier bearing.